Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I will show you how to create guest account in Windows. At first, open Settings, click on Accounts. Now select Other Users. At the bottom top, you can see the option Add Other Users. Click on Add Account. If you have any Microsoft account, just enter your mail and password. Now I want to create a guest account without any password or mail. So just right click on I don't have this person sign in information. If you want to create a new Microsoft account, put your email address and set the password. But now I want to add a user without any account. So choose add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter your name in username box. Enter your password if you want. Now click on next. Your account is ready to use. That's it. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.